Welcome to CU Forms. My name's Andrew Breeze, and we're going to look in this video at how the calculator works. So on our dashboard we have an application here waiting for some further action on it and pending next action. So if I open it up, we can see the form has been brought through and we have certain fields that we can edit and add data to. The amount of the credit applied for, the term, the repayment frequency, the current loan balance. Now these are important, that we need to fill these information in if you are doing continuing credit and you're topping up loan accounts, as I will show you now. This particular application has already been calculated to provide a £1,000 loan over a 12-month period, repaid weekly. The interest rate has been set at 1%. So if I scroll down the form, we'll be able to see the figures that has been created by the calculator. We have here the total interest amount, the total amount, the £1,000 plus the interest, the annual percentage rate, the long APR rate, which is actually the fixed interest rate, the repayment amount, in this case £20.43, the number of repayments, 52, because it's a 12 months loan, so 52 weekly payments, and that's it. We're about to talk about disposable income, but we won't do that one. So if I now go back up to the start of the form and I re-enter some data like the member already had a loan, we can recalculate to change the figures. Every time you change the workflow, you need to update the applications. And so if we now look down here, we've got £1,000 loans with £140.50 outstanding credit, a 1% interest rate, and let's see what the calculator has done now. So as you see, the calculator has now changed the total amount due. The total amount repayable is £71.10 interest, giving a total amount repayable of £1,211.60. The APR hasn't changed, the fixed rate hasn't changed, the repayment amount has now changed to £23.30, and the repayments have stayed at 52. And that's how you change and use the calculator. If you think then you're in a situation where your member can't afford £1,000, or in fact wants to change the term of the loan. Remember, the term of the loan is always in months, regardless of whether you set weekly or monthly or fortnightly. With their current loan balance, let's just have a look at that calculated now and see what happens. So we'll recalculate. Once we've updated the application, you should just leave the application to run itself, so the robot behind the scenes will just automatically complete the procedure. So we'll have a look down now and we can see the interest amount has changed to £39.66. The total amount due is now £680.16, so that's the £500, the £140.50 outstanding and the interest. We didn't change the APR, and the repayment change has now changed to £13.08. And that's all we do. So you can work with your customer to make sure that you get the right amount repayable and the right rate to ensure affordable repayments. Thanks for listening. We'll see you again soon.